package today. Not from Best Top, but it is a used soft top. And you wonder why I got a used soft top, because I already have a top on the Jeep, but there is a reason. You'll find out in this video right here. All right, so we got the windows here. Take a look at those. We got the header bar here. We got the tailgate bar there. These are the door surrounds. Nice, needed those. And the rear bracketry right here. And then we have the top here. Now, this is the first time I've looked at it, so let's check at the condition, what it's like. The rear window I knew had some issues, and it's okay. It's got, looks like somebody was a Seminoles fan or something. Looks like everything there is intact. It's got the hard plastic. All right. Okay, no holes that I could see, which is good. Zippers looked intact. Now, you're wondering, wait a minute, why the soft top? And one thing that we see already that's missing is the frame. Well, the reason why the frame is missing is because I have another frame downstairs that I got for $100, an LJ frame. So I'm not gonna divulge the price I paid for the soft top, but it too was inexpensive, even with shipping. And so I have a full LJ soft top here with frame for a Jeep LJ. And like I said in the beginning of the video, why? What's the purpose of getting a soft top when I already have one? Well, I have a deal set up for a LJ hardtop in exchange for a few $100s and a LJ soft top for replacement. So I'm getting a hardtop for my LJ Rubicon that is in almost 9 out of 10, almost mint condition, to use in the wintertime. And then I'll have the soft top here for the summertime. But I do have a hard top coming, which I'm super excited about. And I wasn't sure I wanted a hard top, but for the price that I'm getting it at, like I said, a few $100s and a replacement soft top, it just cannot be beat. So I'm gonna have a hard top, guys. More to come on that. Hopefully with this video, you'll see the hard top going on to complete the video. All right, guys, take care. Okay guys, and you can see here the top is all on. It has been, rear window's been polished out. Just some plastic polish on it. Cleaned up the top a little bit. Made sure I had all the pieces and parts I needed. Went ahead and installed it onto my LJ. So whenever I go over to pick up the hard top, it's just an easy swap, one for one. Open it up here, let you guys see the windows from the inside. They're tinted, but they're a lot clearer now than they were initially after polishing up and cleaning it up. So now we got to just go over and pick up the hardtop. You guys can guess, with a hardtop, a little heavier, needs some help, but didn't go on smoothly. I had some issue and some modification I had to do. Now, for those of you paying attention, you'll know that I had my high lift jack in here with the soft top. Now with the hard top, it's not quite gonna fit the way I have it set up. I need to figure out another way, another bracket to get that in there. I'm gonna take off this bracket anyway, it's kind of rusty, but I think what I'll end up doing is coming up with another bracket point, but I still like having my hard top on with my high lift. I just gotta figure out how to mount it. Okay, now to get the top on, I'm gonna use these easy thumb quick removal bolts for the hardtop. I'll leave a link down below so I can show you guys where I got them from, but no tools required. Just put the nut up underneath there, get it started and screw it down, not too tight, just so it's nice and snug. And that right there will secure your hardtop without using any tools whatsoever. So hardtop is on. Came off of the Project Ground Patrol back there. And I got the hardtop on the LJ. Turned out pretty good. As you guys can see, it's in really good condition. I probably need to take a magic eraser and clean it down a little bit. But there it is. This is the only problem with it right here. I could fix that. That's the only issue. Glasses look good. Everything else is good on it. 30. Okay, last thing on this video, guys, I want to show you guys something here. These here are two different style of brackets for a soft top channel. You can see the one is thinner than the other right here. You can kind of see it there. I have, this is what I had on there from my best top soft top. It's a thin track for the tailgate bar that goes across so that the tailgate bar latches into here for your soft top. The hard top itself needs the thicker ones, because whenever you put it on, it basically goes right here in this channel and it closes down on it right here. So two things, if I put these on now, then I'm not gonna be able to use my bar for my soft top. Luckily for me, I don't know why or how, but I have an extra tailgate bar for my soft top that is the thicker one like this. So I will be putting these on here for the hard top, and then changing out my soft top tailgate bar for the thicker ones. And I can show you guys the package here. This is the driver's side rugged ridge bracket, and this is the passenger side. So I'll be using those, and I'll post a link down below. They do come with screws right here. I'll post a link down below so you guys can see what they're where you can get them from. Now also, I want to replace these struts, these gas struts, because this top here, after a while, it'll very easily fall down like that and you can hit your head on it. You don't want to do that, obviously. So I bought some gas struts here that I'm going to replace them with and have some new gas struts. So I'll do that now and it'll all be ready to go. I'm really enjoying the hard top. I think it's going to suit me well. I still have my original soft top for the summertime to put on. Probably not going to put it on. This is middle of September, beginning of September, so I'm not going to be putting it on this year. I'll just leave the hard top on. I really don't have a good place to store the hard top yet, so I'm going to be looking into that as well. So I won't put the soft top back on until probably next year. But there's how it sits right now, guys. Loving it. All right, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the hard top. Okay, guys, I'll catch you next time. Take care. Be safe.